morning students. So today welcome back to the class, and the topic that we are going to start is the chapter 1 of your grammar book, which is noun and its kind. So what are nouns? Nouns is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So when we talk about nouns, we say that all the persons, places, animals and things, the name of all these four categories are actually called nouns. Okay, so all the naming words are basically called nouns. So when we talk about person, for example, Ram, Sita, Rita, Rohan. These are some of the examples of a person, name of a person. Similarly, if we talk about places, so Paris and Taj Mahal are the examples of a place, name of a place. Okay, for a better understanding, let's just have a look at the video.
All names or naming words are nouns. A noun names a person, place, animal or thing. Look at the following sentence. Nikki and her dog are playing with football in the garden. Here, Nikki is...
Okay, so by looking at the video, we can see that Nikki is the name of a person. Similarly, dog is the name of an animal. And the thing that we can see here is the ball, which is the name of a thing.
Garden is the name of a place.
And garden is the name of a place.
Dog is the name of a... And football is the name of a thing. A name can be common or special.
So by looking at the video, now we can see that there are some kinds of nouns. So here I have presented a flow chart which explains the type of nouns. So there are 5 kinds or types of nouns. The first one is common noun, then the second one is proper noun, then comes the collective noun, then material nouns and abstract nouns. In this video, we are going to discuss about common noun and proper noun. Okay class, so the two kind of nouns that we are going to discuss today is, first one is common noun and the second one is proper noun. So what are common nouns? These are the names given to all the persons, places, animals or things of the same kind. For example, if we talk about this book, you can see, if you don't see the name of the book, you can just see that this is a book. But so this book is a common noun. But if we can see the name of the book, for example, English grammar. So we have given the name of this book. So that name becomes the proper noun. So book is a common noun, whereas English grammar book is a proper noun. So what are proper nouns? When we give a particular name to a person, place, thing or an animal, that becomes a proper noun. For example, if we take one more example, common noun. So girl is a common noun because we are not giving any specific name to that girl. We are just categorizing it as a girl. So that's a name of a person. That is a thing. That is a person. But if we give that girl a name, a specific name, for example, Rita. So Rita becomes a specific noun, which is proper noun. Now let's just have a look at the video for a clear understanding.
These names are general names of a person, an animal, a place and a thing. These are common nouns. Now let us give special names to these common nouns. So we can say, this is Ricky. This is Pluto. This is the Red Pole. This is a Honda City. Special names given to people, animal, place and thing are called proper nouns.
Okay class, so that's all for today. We will continue the rest of the topic in the next class. Thank you for joining in with us. I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.